Ano yung word na iniisip mo? Passion.
Galing! Galing!
Meron ka isang word na iniisip na walang ibang way para malaman ko. Correct? Okay. I'd like you to just say the word in your mind. Kasi parang ni-scream mo siya but only in your mind. Okay? Can you do that? Okay. Okay, one more. And now, Jella, think of one letter somewhere in the middle of that word. One letter. Sa isip lang, don't say anything out loud. Kung almost thought of once, tumalong ka doon sa isa. Di ba?
Galing! Galing!
Merong O parang S eh, parang gano'n. Oh. Meron ako susulat dito. Ito yung tingin kong iniisip ni Jella. Parang ito yung sound eh. I'm not really sure. Wait lang ha. Ano yung word na iniisip mo? Passion.
Galing! Galing!
Thank you so much.
Galing! Pwede mo bang wala